If you're selling your San Diego home now or in the next 3 to 6 months, and right now you're getting ready to put it on the market and maybe making a list of the things that you want to do, and maybe you're realizing that it needs a little bit more than just cleaned carpets and washed windows, well, a well-maintained home will sell faster and for more money than one that needs something major or major cosmetic fixes or maybe a multitude of minor repairs. But what do you do if the money that you need to do these repairs is tied up in the equity in your home? Well, I'm Andrea Hammacher and I'm with Coldwell Banker here in San Diego. We have an innovative program at Coldwell Banker called Realvitalize. Realvitalize lets you make the improvements that you want to make before putting your home on the market, and we pay for it. You pay us back when your home closes and sells. There are no hidden charges, there are no fees, and there are no markups. You work with me, your agent, and a dedicated project manager to help you coordinate the scope of the things you want to do and get the quotes and make the decisions. You can use Realvitalize for painting, for ceiling and wall repair, for flooring and carpentry, for staging, for landscaping and other curb appeal projects, electrical and plumbing, handyman services, cleaning services, and more. So please reach out to me directly if you want to talk to me about Realvitalize and how it can help you. In the meantime, if you click the button below this ad, you can get a copy of my free San Diego home sellers checklist. This is a list that I use with my own seller clients, and it's the top 10 fix-ups that I recommend that go beyond the clean the windows, clean the carpets advice. And these are things you can do in a weekend for a few $100s, but they make a big impression on how buyers see your home when your home does go on the market. So click below and get a copy of that checklist. Reach out to me if you have any questions at all and you want to talk about Realvitalize and how it can help you. Sometimes all you need is to do the minor little fixes, and sometimes you do need something more. So I'm here to help. I'm Andrea Hammacher with Coldwell Banker Realty here in San Diego. I've been helping people buy and sell homes in San Diego County since 2009, and I'd love to help you. Thanks.